Pakistan's Chief Justice Yahya Afridi ignored a committee decision to place challenges to the 26th Amendment of the Constitution before the full Supreme Court. According to official minutes, the committee, led by senior Puisne Judge Justice Syed Mansoor Ali Shah and Justice Muneeb Akhtar, met in October last year under the Practice and Procedure Act 2023. It decided that the petitions should be heard by the full court. But Chief Justice Afridi disagreed. He argued that such a move could undermine collegiality among judges and expose the court to unnecessary public commentary. Instead, he said petitions under Article 184 of the Constitution must go to the Constitutional Bench, a position supported by 9 of the Supreme Court's 13 judges. The CJP maintained that bench formation is the sole jurisdiction of the 3-judge committee of the Constitutional Bench, not the PPA committee. Justice Afridi sent the committee's decision and his written response in sealed envelopes to the Judicial Commission of Pakistan's secretary for presentation at its meeting on 5 November 2024. He also suggested expanding the Constitutional Bench through JCP nominations to handle the 26th Amendment petitions. In later minutes, Justice Mansoor Ali Shah emphasized the need for meaningful consultation under the PPA and proposed a clear process for replacing absent committee members. While the committee agreed with his stance on non-delegation of powers, it differed on other points and asked the registrar to redraft proposals. Separately, the Supreme Court has unveiled the Supreme Court Rules 2025, replacing rules in place since 1980. These reforms aim to modernize court procedures under Article 191 of the Constitution. The new rules, spanning 7 parts, 38 orders, and 6 schedules, make electronic filing mandatory, allow hearings and affidavits via video link, and ensure that all notices, orders, and certified copies are issued digitally. Judicial documents sent by post will no longer be accepted. Court fees have been revised for the first time in decades, with exemptions for habeas corpus and Article 184(3) petitions and state-appointed advocates in death penalty cases. The rules also introduce intra-court appeals for certain orders, penalties for frivolous reviews, and stricter procedural compliance, all part of what the CJP calls a move to bring the court in line with contemporary legal and technological standards. While the bench formation dispute shows divisions over how constitutional challenges should be heard, the new rules mark a significant shift in how Pakistan's top court will operate in the years ahead. For more details, read the Dawn story link in description.